Hey everyone, this is Matt from DrawingTutorialsOnline.com. We are here with Reese today. Reese, how are you?
Hello, I'm very good.
Awesome, awesome. And this is the end of first year at SVA for you.
Yeah.
And how did your first year go? What was your favorite part of first year at SVA?
I've really enjoyed it so far. I'm happy with like the connections that I've made. Focusing this much on art really has been good.
Yes.
Because it's just given me a clearer vision for like my future and stuff. So
Awesome.
It's been really fun.
And you live on Long Island.
I do.
20 minutes from me. Oh my God, universe shaped. Okay, and okay, I'm gonna ask this. What was your least favorite part of first year? Was it too much of a workload or?
The workload was surprisingly well.
Okay.
My two least favorite things, I think. The first one being like not art related stuff, surprisingly.
Okay.
Because it was just like, it's like, oh, I'm doing all this art stuff and they expect me to do something else? That's illegal. Oh, they can't do that. And then my second thing I hated was Tyler because he is the devil.
Oh, okay. All right. I'm not going there. All right. All right, let's film this. Now, listen, Reese has so much energy that the sketchbook is broken. But I'm gonna let Reese flip through it.
Yeah, she's gone through a lot of wars.
Yes.
I have stickers at the beginning,
Nice.
and then the first break, at a baseball game.
I absolutely adore that page.
Yeah.
The design of it
I
is
got
gorgeous.
for Christmas acrylic markers, not Posca. I'm not that fancy.
Okay.
So, and I was like, hey, I want to be cohesive because I saw it was Irie Pan's sketchbook, and I was really inspired by that at the beginning of the year, doing like cohesive spreads and stuff.
Beautiful.
Yes, when I went bowling, it was awesome.
And what, after 1 year, oh wow, okay, I just love the funness. What's your dream job? Like, what do you want to do when you graduate from college?
I'm still unsure because at first I was like, I want to do storyboarding, but then I'm like, what if I do like visual effects? I'm still trying to figure it out. That's something I'm definitely going to spend a lot of time over the summer thinking about.
Yes.
But something I've really enjoyed has been like doing sticker designs, which I've done because I'm doing like a market soon.
Yes, yes.
And selling on Etsy. That's been something I've been looking forward to and been wanting to do for like years. So
Beautiful.
that's my current like
Okay.
goal.
Okay, and out of everything that wow, these are cool. Out of everything that you've done in terms of like your keyframes, your backgrounds, everything that's associated with making an animation, what is your favorite part of the process?
Ooh, I don't think, because I did a group film, so it was a lot of like, I didn't have to do some bits. I enjoyed the end compositing, because I had to do all of that.
Okay.
I did enjoy like I did enjoy keyframing. That's just some goals there. Keyframing was fun. That's something I want to get into more. And then storyboarding I've come around to, because at first I was just doing storyboarding like on just like a piece of paper or like on a sheet, but then as soon as I did it on Storyboard Pro, it got a lot more enjoyable with timing and stuff.
I see. Are these your stickers?
Yeah, I got them from Core.
Oh, wow. Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah, and then I try to like kind of replicate it. Style.
Beautiful. Now all these you're doing all out of your imagination.
Yeah, some of it, like this was an image on Pinterest, but that was because I was watching One Piece, so I just wanted to draw some of the characters.
I see.
And that was just some fish.
Super cool.
And that I started getting into Stardew Valley. That was very fun. Me and my friends really got into that.
Nice.
Yeah, and then this was the storyboard assignment. The first one that was it was like the first big one with Storyboard Pro. Okay. Which was really fun. Now that I'm thinking about it, I really do want to do a lot more storyboarding stuff because since I was a kid, I've always loved doing animatic type of things, even when I didn't have the resources to really execute on them.
I see. Excellent.
Yeah, and then this was from class. I think this was the virtual one that we had.
Oh yeah, when I had my knee surgery, virtual Zoom class. That was fun.
That was fun. I was in the basement.
Oh my God, I had 2 field trips. Oh yeah, that's right. You were all in the. I had 2 field trips yesterday, and my knee is not liking me right now.
You gotta take.
Nice. I love that you're sprinkling in some color. Is that Arizona tea right there?
That is for Arizona's, man.
Whoa.
I was gonna draw some people's Zoom things. That was gonna be you, but then I ran
thank
out of
God.
time because it was
thank
the
God.
end.
Okay, you should have given me hair.
I should have. I didn't have time.
Damn it. Okay. Oh wow, that is
Yeah.
fun. I love when you do the marker thing.
Yeah, I want to get back to doing that. I did it a lot more in my first sketchbook, but then I'm like, oh, I need to just do blah blah blah, or I would draw something and then I'd get bored of it and then just keep going. But I do want to get a lot more into doing stuff. I added value tone to that today.
Whoa. Okay.
I think it's
And oh God.
Tyler drew that.
Oh Tyler. Oh Tyler. Tyler wouldn't share their sketchbook, but I'm not going to go there.
Yeah.
Their sketchbook was amazing. Whoa, that's nice.
That was one of the pens Sasha had because they have a lot of cool pens. So I stole that for like a day.
Excellent.
And that's when I got obsessed with the character Yotsuba.
I love that.
Yeah, and then this was in class.
Yeah, we were drawing some dogs and the
Dog
importance
stuff.
of the dog skeleton, and you must have hated that.
It was fun because I don't know why, but it was fun.
Nice. Yeah, I love drawing the animals and the dog skeleton. I don't really do it nearly as much as I should.
And then those were more stickers I got from Core. And then this tear thing was because
Yes.
Tyler teared up my sketchbook.
Are you serious?
Yes. He just came up to me and he was just ripped it, and I was like, how dare you?
Oh
Yeah, so I did like a little tear thing. I'm like, oh, this is like Persona 5 when they have the cut-in. So I was able to,
Hey, you made the best out.
I
You
made the
turned
best out
lemons
of it.
into lemonade.
yeah, this is character adventurine from a game. I included lottery tickets
Did
because this
you
thing
win?
is, no. Every Thursday, me and Stella get lottery tickets. And
Wow.
Stella has won $1 so far. Yeah.
Love it, love it. You're a good narrator too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, would you ever do voiceovers?
Maybe. That would be fun.
Yeah, you talk a lot. Voiceovers
No one
would be a
said
good
that
thing.
before.
Oh wow. Okay. And so this sketchbook was started when?
It was like right at the beginning of the new year, like right after Christmas,
Yes.
because I had gotten like a few art supplies, and I was like, ooh, this will be fun. And it was really, I was drawing so much for the first 2 weeks, but then it was like, oh,
The workload
I have
caught up to you,
I have
right?
actual work to do now.
Yeah, the workload for everybody this semester seemed like a lot.
Mm-hmm. Skeletons.
Oh, I love that. You did draw them. That looks great.
Yeah.
Excellent. Excellent.
Skeletons.
Now, you have all of your social media and all that. We'll talk about it at the end,
Yes.
correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, awesome.
And this is gonna be a spread. I didn't finish it though. Yeah, like doing designs of like these little stupid things. I like making those into stickers.
And now that you've had a full year, your first year of college at SVA, what is your, like, when it comes, oh, this was the costume. Oh, that's so
Rotate
cool.
that one.
When it comes down to brass tacks, with everything that you've done, what do you love the most?
Ooh, the most. Honestly, I really do think sometimes the sketchbook, because I think I had a moment in the first semester when I was drawing, Stella made that, I was drawing in my sketchbook while watching Adventure Time and having like pasta. And it was like, I was just so happy in that moment because I was like, oh, I'm being productive and I'm like thinking of all this art stuff and I'm like enjoying it. And I was like, I want to do this. So the sketchbook has been really enjoyable because I haven't had one since like 6th grade where I was consistent, which is like so long ago.
Yes.
So now I feel like I've like returned back to loving art and doing it instead of like as like for something being
Yes.
just like to be enjoyable, which is
So you're not worried about the end product. You're just enjoying the kind of the recipe of drawing.
and I want to explore more into that and seeing how far I can get. Talia made this spread.
Oh.
I didn't draw that one. I love it though.
Talia's so much fun.
Yeah.
I love teasing Talia. She's always like, wait, what?
Taco Bell. And then this was fun. I'd always wanted to do. This was in one of the classes where I did like 2 tones because usually I can't focus on the 2 different things, but I was able to, and I was like,
That's a gorgeous spread right there with those 2 colors.
Yeah.
I would like people to work more with marker in class.
Yeah.
Like, these are so good.
Riley did it once, and then I tried it because we did the rotation thing.
Yes.
And then I was like, ooh, this is fun. And then I just did it for like the rest of the year, really.
Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. He was a good model. Wow, I like that page too. Is that ballpoint?
This was like a thin marker thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hard for me to see through the
This when we
iPhone.
went to the park.
Oh, yeah, that's right, our park field trip.
Yeah.
I'm sorry we had to go to the same place twice for the Museum of Natural History. I wish we could have gone to the Met. Oh, these are beautiful.
In the basement with like things I found in the, ignore the text, I the voices. I'm just like a marker I literally just found there.
Nice, those are the best kind.
Yeah. This is more storyboard stuff that this is the last thing I need to finish actually. This is the storyboard and then I'm done with everything. This was a fun model. This is the one that like also talked a lot.
Yes, oh yeah, that model was great. That model was great. We had
They enabled me.
Yeah, in both of my classes, we had really good models.
That was you, because I didn't want to draw it, so I just made you
nice
really
bicep.
muscly with like a crazy hair.
Nice, I appreciate the bicep, thank you. Oh, these are great. I love this texture, pattern, shape.
Yeah. And then, whoop.
Beautiful.
That was fun to do.
These colors.
With the black.
Yeah, really, really worked well. I need to have the students bring markers in more. Humanities class.
Yeah, this is animation history. Or I should be right now.
Yeah, okay,
But
don't say that. Shh. Don't say that.
And then, yeah, this was, well, that was Dylan. And then, more just silly things. This was also, I think, in class.
So with drawing the figure these last 2 semesters, have you like learned to like it a little?
Yeah, definitely. Where I want to do more figure stuff because I've only taken one like figure class because I never really had anything like that in high school. These are stickers that I made, and I like cut out like 2 a.m. literally.
Oh wow! You made them?
Yeah, I made them, and it was really fun to do.
That looks awesome.
Yeah. Yeah, but figures, that's been really fun because I took a pre-college.
Who was your pre-college teacher?
It was at FIT though.
Oh,
it wasn't
okay.
at SVA.
Traitor.
I know. I wanted to go to the SVA one, but my mom made me go to that one.
Okay, fair enough.
I'm here now. They got me now.
Yes.
Yeah, and it was like similar like 6-hour type of thing.
Yes.
But I feel like I learned a lot more here, obviously.
Thank you. Very cool. He's a good model too, that guy.
Mm-hmm.
And we did some keyframes.
This was fun. I was just looking at like tattoos on Pinterest and then just drawing stuff.
That's neat.
Yeah, and then that was I feel like I'm doing like a lot of math just for fun on my sketchbook.
Get out.
I love math. That's the one thing I do miss.
That is the most surprising thing I've ever heard in a sketchbook. I love math. That's sacrilegious.
I love math. And
wow.
then this was the beginning of the museum trip. I like sat. Oh, I thought that was something. I just sat on the floor, drew a doorway, and then I'm like, I don't want to do that. And then I just decided to do this like effect thing because I did something like that in my other sketchbook I had.
Okay.
And then this.
That's the field trip.
Mm-hmm. That was fun to do. I liked the tree. And then that I just did this morning.
Beautiful.
And then the rest is totally finished.
Yes, absolutely. Reese, what's your social media?
On Instagram, Reatical. I don't have a Twitter yet. On YouTube, Reatical. I need to get my YouTube channel in order.
Yes.
But yeah, those are my socials.
All right, so we'll put it in the show notes below, okay? All right, well, listen, you have a good summer, and we'll talk to you soon, and thank you.
Yay!
Awesome, awesome. And all right, everybody, listen, you gotta like Reese's video. It's such a fun sketchbook. I can't even talk. Oh my God, I've been going since like 8:45 this morning, class and sketchbooks, and oh, woe is me. All right, subscribe to the channel, like the video. I'll talk to you soon.